Hello guys, so today I want to do a unboxing video. Okay, this one. Okay, I just received it today, this afternoon. Yeah, I bought it with a seller, and this is the case, Hot Wheel case A, from case A 2019. Okay, if I open it, then you will know what inside. Okay. So I'm having my holiday ready, so I'm going back my hometown. As you can see, yes, there's some of my collection. I don't know where to put it, and some is in the box. Okay, they have 5 box there. Okay, this is just some of it. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, they have a subscribe button here, the red one. Okay, just click subscribe there. Okay. Or you can go to my page. Okay, Facebook page, Hot Wheels Storage Malaysia, or my Instagram. Okay, Hot Wheels Storage Malaysia. Okay, this one. Okay, you can search Hot Wheels Storage Malaysia. Okay, so yeah, I'm opening the box now. Seal very nice. Okay, yeah, if a container here. Okay, good packaging, still have bubble wrap. Okay, open it first. Okay, see, stick it is put a cello tape with a bubble wrap, so I open it first. Okay, so I'm done. So I have 2 of it. Okay, as you can see, this is from case A, the new case of 2019. Then you know I'm a JDM lover, so yeah. Okay, I bought these 2. Is Nissan Skyline GTR. Okay, this one R33. Okay, R33 in red color, and this one is Nissan GTR R32 in blue color. Okay, so this is number 1 from the Nissan, and this one is number 6 from Nissan also. Okay, yeah. It's good, and it's very nice. Okay, as you can see, these 2 is very nice. Okay, yeah. Okay, very nice, and I love it from the case A 2019. Okay, so come make a review this one first. Okay, just give me a time, so I just can open the blister. Okay, we'll be back. I will be back after this. Okay, be back. So just open it. So we review this, the first one. Okay, Nissan Skyline R32. Okay, this is the new casting for 2019. I think that this is the 3rd one with this color, and also the yeah, okay, with the logo here. Okay, a bit blur where I focus it. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, the side you can see Yokohama. Okay, and also Hot Wheel logo here. Okay. Yeah, a bit blur. Try to zoom it first. Okay. So it don't have a front light tempo. The back also nothing. So but at the back it have a tail light tempo. Okay, it have a tail light tempo. As you can see there, they have a Skyline with the GTR logo. Here is Nissan. Okay, side also have a white blade, white line with a Yokohama. Okay, so nice, very simple. But I figure out the best for 2019 it have a new best. Okay, it's like this. Okay, okay. We have a new base. Okay, so okay, it's different with other base. Okay, as you can see, try to get one here. Yeah, try to get this one. So this one, the base is like this. This is 2017. Okay, okay. Where I see the this year. Okay, yeah. Okay, this one, the regular treasure hunt. Okay, the base is like this. Okay, it's different. Okay, so this is new from Hot Wheels. Okay, the base, the plastic one. Okay, okay, it say here made in Malaysia, 2018 metal. Okay, Nissan Skyline GTR R32. Okay, yeah, very nice. Okay, yeah, just put here first. Okay, now we move to the Nissan Skyline GTR R33. Okay, okay. From the side, this is the red color, red blood color. Not really blood, but red. Okay, it have a stripe down here, black stripe. Okay, with a Hot Wheel logo and here down here. Okay, from front, yes, they have don't have the front light tempo. Okay, at the side also have the line here. At the back, it have front light, tail light tempo with the GTR license and logo here. Okay, but the roof and the front bonnet is have don't have anything with the spoiler. Okay, metal spoiler. Okay, and the base is different with that one just now. Okay, this one a bit different. Okay, 2017 metal. Okay, Nissan Skyline GTR R33. Okay. With the spikes, 5 spoke rim. I think this one also the same. Yeah, same. Only this one is black and also lining silver, but this one is silver color. Okay, the same. So, as you can see, both of it, okay, 33 and 32. So it have a very nice color. I love it. So how about you? So finally I have it. Yeah, I'm a GTR lover, so I must have a loose of it. Okay, so now I'm waiting for my R30, the white color, and also the R34, the gold color. So until we meet again at that review, until I receive it, then I will review about that two again. Okay, so the comment below, please give a like or share my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, you just follow my Facebook page and Instagram at Hot Wheel Storage Malaysia. Until we meet again, bye bye.